I welcome you once again to our mathematics lesson. In our previous lesson, we looked at subtraction. And today we have a new theme, and that is division. I see many people are happy, meaning we are not hearing the word division for the first time. We looked at division in primary 1. Yes, the other word that we can use instead of division, we can use the word sharing. Everybody says sharing. The word is sharing. And I know many of you have ever shared certain things at home. Like mommy can give you a cake and then you share among yourselves. Daddy can bring you sweets and then you share them as a family. That is what we are going to look at. So that is division. I said the other word that we can use instead of division is sharing. And it's good we have all ever shared something. When we are sharing or when we are dividing, we are supposed to divide equally. We do not cheat. We divide into equal portions. So in today's lesson, we are going to see, before we see what we are going to divide by, we have majorly two signs of division. These are the two signs. This sign, and that is what we are going to use mainly as we are learning. And there is also another sign of division which is drawn like this. It's mainly used in long division, but many of you are familiar with this sign, and it's the sign that we are going to use. In our lesson today, we are going to learn how to divide by 2. So, our heading is dividing by 2. We write 2 in figures, not in words. Dividing by 2. Let's have our example number 1. Example 1. 8 divided by 2. In our example number 1, we've been given 8 divided by 2. It's 8 that we are sharing. The number that we are sharing is number 8 between 2 people. Here we say we are dividing by 2. Let's say what we are dividing, let's say we have sticks. Let's say we have sticks. These 2, we come here and do our side work. These 2 girls are going to represent. They are representing what we are having here. They are representing these 2. So we are supposed to get this 8 and then we divide or we share it between the 2. So we shall come here in our side work and then we divide equally. I said we divide equally or we share equally. This is how we are going to share. We give one to each of them at a time and we share equally. So let's share 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have counted the 8 sharing or dividing by 2. So to get the answer or to get the amount that one has got, we count. this one person, we don't count for the two since we have shared. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. How many of you have got 4? Good. High five to those who have got 4. So 8 divided by 2, we shall get our answer as 4. And then we come and write our 4 there. Let's have a second example. Example number 2. Example 2. And this example 2 has been given to us in word form. In word form. Share 16 balls between 2 boys. How many does each get? This is our question number 2. We have been told, let's read, share 16 balls between 2 boys. How many does each get? We've been told to share the 16 balls between 2 boys. First of all, we are supposed to read and interpret. What we are sharing is 16 between the 2 boys. So we shall write 16. 16 divide by 2 equals, we arrange these digits horizontally. So it is 16 divided by 2. So we are going to do our side work here. These are our 2 boys. These are our 2 boys. But we are supposed to share the 16 balls between the 2. So we come here where the 2 boys are and we share equally. We give one at each at a time. And we make sure we've not cheated any of them. So let's share 1. Sorry, they are balls. So we are going to use balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Very good. Those are our 16 balls. I know some people are already counting. Very good. So we go to one of the boys and then we count and see how many balls has he got. We go to only 1. We don't count both because we have divided. Let's count and see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each boy has got 8 balls. After writing there, we come down here and we write the final statement. So we shall write each boys. How many does each get? So we shall write each boy gets, our answer is here, 8 balls. And underline our answer using a ruler. This is our final answer. Do not forget to write the final statement if the question has been set in word form. If the question has been set like this, you don't need the word statement. You simply work out and write the answer here. So, here we have written each boy gets 8 balls, meaning 16 divided by 2, we get 8. Now let us try out the given example in our activity. Thank you for listening. While writing the activity, make sure you use the best handwriting. Have a good day.